Burning wood in fairly uncontrolled conditions, such as in a domestic wood stove, emits pollutants which can cause problems with air quality in the local area. Most of these pollutants are the result of incomplete combustion, and they include carbon monoxide, hydrocarbons, and particulates. Installing a catalytic converter in a wood stove enables an additional combustion stage to occur. At a microscopic level, the catalytic converter has a very large surface area, at least equal to a tennis court, and on this surface, materials with catalytic properties interact with the flue gases to cause chemical reactions to occur. It is important to understand that the catalytic material doesn't undergo a permanent change during this process. It merely switches from one state to another and back again. Therefore, it does not need regular replacement. The action of the catalytic converter causes most of the pollutants, which are the result of incomplete combustion, to react with oxygen and convert into carbon dioxide and water. Typical emissions reductions on a wood stove fitted with a catalytic converter are as follows: carbon monoxide down 75 to 90%, hydrocarbons down 50 to 70%, particulate matter measured cold down 45 to 65%, particulate matter measured hot down 20 to 25%. Catalytic converters for wood stoves are broadly divided into two categories, depending on the material which the substrate, the structural part, is made from. The choice is between ceramic and metal. In terms of emissions reduction, both work equally well. Ceramic substrates are more economical but require special tooling, so are better for high volume requirements. Metal substrates are more robust and cause slightly less back pressure. Whitebeam is one of Europe's leading specialists in designing and coating catalytic converters for cooking and heating appliances based in Slovenia. We already supply our products to many wood stove and oven manufacturers, so please get in touch and find out how we can help your company.